Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing INKW, BBBY, SDC, BMXI, WPUR, MEGL, ILAG, INKT, GIGM, REV, and MULN. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With out of the way, let's dive in here. Great start to the trading week. Nice Monday, a lot of action. Really like the markets right now. I'm extremely bullish as I see just tons of opportunities every day out there for our subscribers. Make sure you don't miss any of our alerts. Click that link in the description. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. This way you do not miss any of our complete reports. Speaking of reports, we have a small cap biotech short squeeze play with catalysts just before the opening bell tomorrow for subscribers. So make sure you are signed up. This one is going to have some fireworks tomorrow. First up from the weekend, we had four big runners today. INKW up 30%, BBBY up 23%, SDC up 23%, and BMXI up 21%. INKW, this one put out it's been running all month. August 2nd, it put out a PR. They were completed their first production run of Happy Mellow Immune Support Beverage. The stock then was trading at just 0.004. You can come over here and look at this. And it just has been on fire since, closing at the high of the day at 0.0188, up 370% so far this month of August. And this sector has always been hot, particularly on the OTC. Any beverage company, immediately everyone starts saying it's going to be the next monster beverage. We saw that last year with LTNC, which just was a horrible investment for everyone. And then, but INKW is the real deal. Pink Current, and it's just a great press release that they had put out, updating their shareholders. They also did the official e-commerce launch of its Happy Mellow Immune Support Beverage. So I highly recommend everyone go and check out their PRs. They also have their Bee Water beverage in addition to the Happy Mellow CBD beverage. So again, this is the real deal. A lot to like with INKW. If it's not on your radar screen, get it on your radar screen. But I would just caution here, we have an RSI overbought at 94. We could see some profit taking. So just watch and wait for some dips if you're not already in. But we did clear the 200-day moving average here at 0.0077. So overall, we're in a bullish trend for INKW. Next up is BBBY. The Wall Street Bets crowd is back. Bullish momentum here. Sentiment, guys, when it comes to trading, sentiment is the most important thing. It's more important than, the fundamentals. If you're day and swing trading, don't get into the, bull bear, in terms of, backing yourself into a corner saying, oh, the fundamentals or getting into these bull bear debates. It's all about sentiment. And right now, BBBY has positive sentiment, bullish sentiment. It's been rallying, from just above $4 when it put in the low, and it's up 400% since then. So it's just been incredible move here this month, and so happy for the Wall Street Bets crowd that are really sticking it to the shorts. But it's right now, 42% of the float is short. And that right now is a $465 million bet by the short sellers that Bed Bath & Beyond is going lower. As it keeps climbing, they're going to keep buying in, because they're just getting squeezed, or they got to put up more margin. If they don't have that, they have to buy back in, and that's just going to keep that momentum going. We got a lot of options. The calls are going like crazy. So we're expecting, we don't know when it's going to happen, but we're going to get that gamma squeeze like we did in AMC and GME back in 2021. BBBY right now, this one has the momentum. So keep your eye on Bed Bath & Beyond. Next up is SDC, Smile Direct Club. It's running right into the 200-day moving average. I talked about this one over the weekend. This one is 21% of the float is short, but we are running into major resistance. Not only the 200-day moving average, but we got these trend line resistance just under 250 and just under $3. So we got major resistance to overcome. If I was, you can use a trailing stop or look to book profits here. Again, not financial advice, and then watch for a break above $3 as a re-entry. So if we clear that major resistance, the shorts are going to panic, and we're going to go much higher in SDC. And if you look at the 52-week range, 98 cents to 742, there's a lot more room for SDC to run. Next up is BMXI. A lot to like here. This is just a $4.5 million market cap. It's been running ever since August 3rd. Put out a PR about its production plan for Canadian Gold Project. They're now they finalized their acquisition of an Alaska project. But if you look at the financials, just very impressive. Last year, 14 million in revenues. Year before that, 10.9 million in revenues. They're profitable. 6.6 million in net income. You look at their balance sheet, strong balance sheet, and just a $4.5 million market cap. So BMXI is still extremely undervalued. Technically, we're running into some resistance here at 200-day is always major resistance, but we're running into the 200-day moving average of 0.188. RSI is 77, a little overbought here. I think this one's going to consolidate and then shoot higher. So just keep your eye on this one. But again, once it's put out the news about the Canadian project, I mean, it was trading at just 0.0356. Closed today at 0.1676. We're up 370% for the month. So again, another triple. There are plenty of runners right now, and now it's hot, and this is the time to strike. So that you don't miss any of these runners. Make sure you get our full reports. Click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up in any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Next up is big runner today, WPUR, closed up 216%. We really like this one. Just an $825,000 market cap. They're getting ready to put out do a reverse merger. So they put out a press release today. The company's in discussion exploring multiple merger and acquisition opportunities. For those of you that follow us and been trading OTC for a long time, reverse merger plays are some of the most explosive type plays on the OTC, especially when you find one with a low market cap. This one is market cap under $1 million. This is the type of play we love here. So WPUR, if it's not on your radar screen, make sure you get it on your radar screen now. Next up are two Hong Kong plays running, MEGL and ILAG, two recent IPOs. MEGL has just a 5.5 million share float. AG is a sympathy play off of the big move in MEGL, just an 8.7 million float. Right now, these Hong Kong plays, it started with HKD and it's continuing. So plenty of opportunities in these Hong Kong stocks right now. And again, markets are on fire, and take advantage of it while you can. Next up, guys, is INKT. This is INKT and GIGM. INKT closed up 98%. GIGM up 41%. Both of these are chat room pump plays. We monitor all the chat rooms for our subscribers. This way, we let you know what is happening, what discussion is, what the chatter is, and to get these next chat room plays, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. Again, best part is free. We do all the research for you. We do monitor all these chat rooms. We do run screens every morning looking for catalyst plays, PRs. We do all the work for you. So again, make sure you go and hit that link in the description, sign up so you don't miss any of these big runners. Next up is Revel and REV. News out today. Morgan Stanley is now the owner of 400,000 shares. Again, while it may not seem like a lot, that is almost 8% of the float. There is only 5.4 million shares in the float. Half of that float has been borrowed by the shorts. They are short. And again, this is why this stock has been running from under 2 to as high as $10 earlier this month. Right now, we're running into some resistance here. We get above here, we close above 10, and again, this is another one we could get that gamma squeeze. So we really like REV. Again, everyone's focused on the fundamental. Oh, it declared bankruptcy. Again, trade it, don't own it. Day trade it, swing trade it. When I say swing trade, overnight or good for a couple days, that's it. These are not long-term holds. Trade them, don't own it. I can't stress that enough. Plenty of opportunities. Get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play or to the next trading setup in that particular stock. You got to do that, and that's how you will make money in this business. Next up, guys, is what do we got here? Last one is MULN. Guys, this one, again, sentiment has been beaten down lately. We closed up 9%. We're bidding 92 cents in the after hours. I think this one here is going to start changing sentiment for the better. You got a lot of EV news out. Biden putting out the EV tax credits. MULN has just been oversold. A lot of shorts been piling on this name. Hindenburg, they've been out with short and distort reports. So I think this has been another past favorite of the Reddit army. MULN, I think this one is going to make another major move higher. With that being said, I wish everyone a great Tuesday. Make sure you sign up to get tomorrow's short squeeze biotech play with catalysts. We think this one's going to really, really light up the NASDAQ, and we're excited about so far. August is usually a quiet month, but it's been one of the best months this year. July and August have just been absolutely been on fire. For those of you that have been following the markets a long time know that 2022 has been a rough year in overall in the large caps and the small caps. Markets have turned last month. We really like the action. Take advantage of it while we can. All right, guys. With that being said, wish everyone a great Tuesday and good luck to all subscribers on Small Cap Biotech Alert. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.